First, we'll ensure the firearm is in a safe condition by removing the magazine and checking the chamber. Disassembly involves locking the slide back using the slide catch and engaging the safety notches to secure the slide. Subsequently, we pull the slide back, lift and move it forward from the frame. Then, remove the barrel from the slide. Notice the barrel's grooves for rotational recoil absorption. Reassembly follows the reverse process. Place the return spring on the pin. Insert the barrel into the slide to align the grooves. Secure the slide by pulling it back. Release the hammer, and insert the magazine back into the firearm.